Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi everyone! So ayan, this is Kyomoni. Andito tayo ngayon para betiin yung ating friend sa YT at saka filmmaker ng Team Tulong. Ayan, walang iba kundi si Sis Emery Channel or Evergreen Channel. Ayan sis, happy birthday! Wish you all the best in your life and I'm happy for you. Ayan, kasi nakapag-rest ka na. Health is wealth. And praying for your new career. Ayan. So, hopefully na maging okay soon. So, ayun. Wish you all the best in your life. Happy birthday and God bless sis. Happy birthday. Thank you for being part ng Team Tulong. Ayan. Alam ko na hindi madali yung ginagawa natin at saka ayan. Buti nakapag-rest ka na. So, yan. Happy birthday sis. Bye-bye.
Hey, Auntie Mayet, God bless with good health always. Sana agasawa ka at nung makapalanit kami. Love you. Happy birthday, Mayet. Sapay la kumaading ko ta ni Apo Diyos kit ikan nakati kan kanayon nga salunat mo ken idaw dawat ko nga awan ko mati dumdumteng sa gubanit ti bagbagiyo nga agigyan ita abroad ading ko. Thank you.
Birthday, Ma'am Marieta. Wish ko sa iyo good health, long life, and happiness in your life na sana mahanap mo na talaga yung totoong true love mo na talagang magpapasaya sa iyo habang buhay. And then, sana wag mong baguhin yung maganda pag-uugali mo, lalo na sa mga pinapakita mo sa amin. And I'm sure kung may mga dapat man baguhin, yung mga ugaling hindi maganda, but sa pinapakita mo sa amin, I'm sure na okay naman. Wala naman akong nakitang hindi ko nagustuhan. And then, hopefully talaga na matupad mo yung pangarap mo, lalo na yung pagiging vlogger natin, di ba? And sana masaya ka talaga. And we are praying for your happiness na yung dumating sa buhay mo ngayon. Sana iingatan ka, alagaan ka, at lalong-lalo na mahalin ka ng lubos. Diba? Na ibigay sa iyo yung buong tiwala na never kanyang iiwan, na lagi siyang dyan sa tabi mo. Ganyan. And then, sana Ma'am Marieta, wag mo kami kalimutan. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Always remember we love you. Even in the kunting panahon ng pagsasama natin noon, but deep inside in my heart, it's very, treasurable. Char. Oh my God, happy birthday! Love you, Ma'am Marieta. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome to my channel. Yan lagi yung mga intro mo sa yung mga video, no? Happy birthday, Ate Mayet. Wish ko lang. Okay, nasa wish lang tayo. Wish ko lang naman sa iyo, sa iyong birthday ay stay pretty. Always naman laging ganyan ang wish ng mga tao. Stay pretty, good health, nanay nasa lagi kang magandang kalusugan, walang dinaramdam, at
thank you nga pala kasi isa ako sa naging parte ng iyong friendship natin. Malaki akong thankful kasi nakilala din kita ng dahil sa pinsan ko, dahil sa mga iba pang friends natin. Thank you kasi winelcome mo rin ako sa iyong tahanan, sa iyong kaharian. Nila Jojo, nila Bobby. Thank you very much kasi nandyan ka bilang aming ate, bilang aming napupuntahan kung saan wala kaming mapuntahan. Welcome kami sa iyong tahanan. Ate Mayet, happy birthday sa iyo, aking ate. God bless and thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Love you.
Hello everyone! I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all my Facebook friends around the world who have the effort to make their videos and send me a messages during my special day. Thank you everyone. Ayan. From Yamlatan who made this video, Mildred Nubeno, Marcel Gabriel Benco, Kat Pilar Morales, Michi Cruz, Cristina Capulong Ternate, Jocelyn Jo Ablasa. Ayan guys, at panoorin natin ang ating video.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na. Ilang taon ka na. Ilang taon ka na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Oh yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ako yung makakati sa'yo ng happy birthday. Sana ikaw ang pinakamasaya sa araw na ito.
Happy birthday to you, Ate Mayet! Yay! I wish you have more birthdays to come. I wish lahat sana matupad na lahat ng mga pangarap mo. And looking forward to your wedding day. Yay! So excited. I'm so happy for you, Ate. I hope you like this video that I made. Yeah! Surprise ka ba? At thank you, Ate, sa friendship natin. Always, thank you so much dahil welcome kami dyan sa iyong palasyo. Kahit sobrang ingay kami at sobrang, alam mo na, makukulit, ay okay lang. Thank you so much, Ate. And we love you so much, Ate. You know that? And happy birthday again. I love you, Ate. See you again. Let's party! Mwah!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Ay, saan mo birthday mo raw? Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday. Sana ikaw yung araw mo. God bless you. Thank you.
Ang prayer ko ay sana'y mas maging malusog, maging masaya, at mas maging maunlad. Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and once again, mula po sa aking puso, isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
Happy birthday to Beauty Gonzalez. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. Ingat po palagi. Bye! Happy birthday po. God bless you. May have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
It's found in the book of Psalms. life and be happy always. Don't forget to pray. Diba? Sa birthday po, sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingat. I love you.
Hello everyone! Ito naman guys ang greetings ng aking Fish family dito sa Singapore. Thank you Fish family for all the greetings, prayers, and wishes for my special day. Here they are from Bro Alan who made this video, and from Bro Romel, from Sis Jean, from Sis Donna, from Bro Jonar, from Bro Gibbs, from Sis Ann, from Sis Mildred, from Sis Michelle, from Sis Cathy, from Mama Zen, from Sis Annabelle, from Sis Josie, from Sis Evelyn, from Sis Jo Blasa, from Bro Arnel, from Sis Annie, from Sis Gian, from Sis Arsenia. At ito ang aking reply. Thank you so much, brothers and sisters, to all the greetings, prayers, wishes on my special day. God bless us all. From Marietta Evergreen Channel.